It's day 4 of the repairs on the Reboot, my catamaran that was struck by lightning. Some of you may recognize this as my battery bank on the port side. I wanted to show you, here are all my new Rolls AGM batteries that survived the lightning strike. There is my new Rolls starter battery. There is my new voltage regulator. The old Sterling one was toast. I've got an upgraded Balmar alternator that feeds extra power very quickly into these batteries, but you can't do it without the voltage regulator because you don't want to overcharge or undercharge your batteries because you'll ruin those. So that is looking fantastic. There was some bad news. I'll show you. So my wall is down, and one of the reasons my wall is down is my inverter's gone. My nearly new 3,000 watt inverter, what happened was it was working okay right after the lightning strike, and then once they started working on it more and hooking more things up and adding more power to the system, at least one of the I think it's called the cards is bad. So they sent it out to an inverter repair people to see if it can be repaired, but at this point it's looking like I may have to get a new inverter, which is kind of sucky. But it's kind of neat when you have the walls off of your boat, because these are my throttle cables and they go all the way back down through here. So it's amazing to see. This is my solar, and it's amazing to see how much technology and how much of your guts are in your boat in spots where you can't see it and sometimes can't get to it easily. This boat is pretty good for being able to access stuff. I've seen some boats where I don't know how they plan on fixing it. So, but my job today is I just fixed the hatch, and I also want to count all the seacocks because we're having them replaced next month.